EasyPianoOnline. Hello everyone, today we will learn how to play Aerith's theme from Final Fantasy VII. In this first video tutorial we will learn the first part of the song, and part 2 is on the website, please have a look. Alright, so we'll begin the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with first finger on F sharp. So this is the introduction. Second is on A. Fifth is on D. Fourth is on C. A. First is on E. Then F sharp. A. D. Third is on C sharp. E. Fourth is on D, B, C sharp, and second finger crosses over the first to E. Again, first finger on F sharp, A, D. Now together, E and C fingers 1 and 5. A, first is on E, second is on D, third is on E, and D again, fourth is on F, E, D, E, and D again. Then second finger is on D, then again D, E, F sharp, third finger on F sharp, fifth is on A, now together G and B, 2 and 4 on A and C sharp, 3 and 5 on B and D, 1 and 3 on G and B, then 1 and 2 on E and G, and 2 and 4 on F sharp and A, next notes, and back to F sharp and A. Fifth finger is on A, third is on F sharp, C sharp. Now we have C sharp, A, C sharp, then B, F sharp, B. Next we have A, F sharp, A. Fifth is on B, A, and together B and D. Then we have B, G, B. Now A, D, A, and D and G. Fifth is on A, fourth is on F sharp, A and C sharp fingers 1 and 2. Now we'll roll, so E, A, E, then D, B, D, and C sharp, A, C sharp. Then first and a second on F sharp and B, A and C sharp, then B and D, and we'll roll G, A, D. And hold it a bit longer. Okay, so now we'll look at the left hand. Again, this is the first part. So this is a free first part video, and part 2 is on the website. So to finish learning the rest of the song, check the website. Left hand begins with 5th finger on D. So we have D, A, D, and E. And the upper D and E we hold with the thumb. So 2 notes are held with 1 finger. Then we have E and A, fingers 4 and 1. And again, D, A, D, E. And again, E and A. 5th finger on D. Then F sharp A, fingers 2 and 1. Then 3, 2, 1, E, F sharp A. Then D, F sharp A. 5th finger is on A. Then C and E. Together, then A, C, E, 5th finger is on B flat, C, D, F, B flat again, and a G, A, B flat, D, fifth finger is on D, 5th finger carries up to A, 3rd is on D, E, F sharp, 2nd on D, C sharp, E, D, 4th is on A, G, 1st finger on A, then 2nd is on F sharp, A, 3rd is on D, 4th is on C sharp, F sharp, 3rd is on B, 1st is on F sharp, B, and together B and D. A, F sharp, C sharp, 5th is on A, F sharp, A, and together A and C sharp. So you can use 5 and 3 or 2 and 4. 5th finger moves down to G, D, B, 3rd is on G, D, low D, 1st is on B, G, and then D, A, E, 3rd is on A, F sharp, A again, and D, G sharp, F sharp, 4th is on G sharp, 1st is on C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, left hand down on G, 5th is on A, B, D, G, 5th is on G, fourth is on A, left hand down, 5th on F sharp, 5th is on up on G sharp, G sharp. Fifth is on F sharp. F sharp, C sharp, and third down on F sharp. Fifth on G, D. Fourth over to A, B, and D. Okay, so this is it for hands separate. Now we'll proceed to hands together. So as soon as you've mastered each hand separately, it will make it a whole lot easier to combine hands together. So we'll start. Left hand begins with DA and DE chord, and right hand begins with first finger on F sharp. Right hand second on A, fifth is on D. Then left hand E and A, fingers 4 and 1, right hand fourth finger on C. And again together. Second crosses over the first to E. Left hand D, right hand F sharp. Together. Left hand B, C, E. A, C, E, right hand second on D, E, and together B flat and D. Left hand B flat D, F, right hand F, left hand D, right hand D. Third is on D, E, F sharp, third is on F sharp, first is on A, together D and D, left hand C sharp, right hand E, and together left hand B, right hand F sharp. Together right hand second on F sharp, G, and together again. Left hand G, right hand B and D. Right hand E and G. Left hand D, right hand F sharp and A. Fourth is on A, F sharp, together D and A. A, C sharp, left hand first is on F sharp, right hand plays C sharp, A, C sharp, fingers 1, 3 and 5. together. Right hand fifth is on B, left hand third is on A. Left hand fifth is on G, right hand A, D, A, fingers 1, 2, and 5. Will roll E, A, E, D, B, D, and left hand F sharp, and right hand C sharp, A, C sharp. Left hand fifth is on G, right hand third and fifth on B and D. Right hand rolling G, A, G. Sorry, G, A, D. Yep, there we go. Alright, so this is it for Aerith's theme from Final Fantasy VII Part 1. Please see the website for Part 2.